Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change device name on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, using a generic device name may inadvertently disclose information about you or your device. Changing the device name to something nondescript can help protect your privacy. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, begin by accessing the settings on your device. Once you have entered the settings menu, navigate to the My Phone option. And within this section, you will come across various details about your device, including its default name. Okay, this name is often generated by the device manufacturer and may not reflect your personal preferences. So the way to customize your device name according to your preferences, simply tap on the default name like this, and this action will open a text field where you can edit the name as desired. Okay, once you have made the desired changes, be sure to save your edits. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change device name on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.